So today I wanted to experiment with my new iPad Air that I got from my auntie. She bought it for me and I'm really thankful for her for buying it for me, because essentially I needed it for work and also to do some design like behind the scenes and also to create my portfolio. So I thought that it would be best to get the iPad Air. This is the one in 64 gig. And also I wanted to experiment with the new pencil, but this isn't the Apple Pencil, this is from a different brand, and I wanted to see how it looked like. So hopefully you guys enjoy it, and yeah, let's unbox. Okay, so it has like this part over here I'm gonna take out. So this is so hard. Okay, and then oh shit, and then you open it, and here is the company. It's a knockoff of the Apple Pencil, because the Apple Pencil is like, how much does it cost? It costs like 115 to 20 pounds. So I thought, let me just get this first and then decide what I want after. Okay, so I think I take it out like this, and it comes out like this. And here's the pen. It just dropped from my iPad. Oh my days. Okay, but here's the pen. Oh, it feels really good. It feels legit. It feels like the Apple Pencil is like so metallic. And don't look at my nose. But yeah, and then here's where you charge it. I don't know if you could see it. Here's where you charge it. It's such a good pen to use for my iPad. I actually had to convince my dad that I needed a pen because he don't want to listen to me, but that's another story for another day. But I finally got the pen, and yeah, I'm happy with it. So you go underneath when you open it, and here is like a charger and a case. I love that they gave us like a cute little case. They gave me a little case and I think it's so cute. I'm gonna treasure this for when I'm working. But yeah, and then here is a charger that you can use to charge the base of it. So like here, and I can't wait to start sketching and show you guys what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna amp it up. Oh, and also the reason why I decided to like do graphics is because I wanted to improve my Iman. So essentially graphic design, I won't have to do like, I don't have to paint people. Like, I need to stop doing that because I heard that it's really bad for my religion as well, which is Islam. So I'm gonna stop doing that and instead focus on like images and stuff, and photography and graphic design, and also architecture. Maybe we'll see. I'm still hesitant about architecture, but we'll see in the near future. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy this. I'm waffling, but it's okay. Oh my days, this is sick. What? Okay, so let's get to the video. I wanted to redesign this using my iPad and using Procreate. I heard it's a really good app, and hopefully you realize that this is a map of like the Pacific Ocean, because I was reading the book Lord of the Flies and it was inspired by that, and I wanted to make a book cover for it. So here is what it looks like. Here's like a close-up of what I'm gonna do. Don't know if you could see it, but yeah, here's what I'm gonna do. And hopefully I need to start getting used to looking into there instead of there, because I got my old camera from my aunt, and yeah, I'm happy with it. Hopefully you guys like it. So